Let's talk about something important. Have you ever felt like time is slipping through your fingers? Most people struggle with maintaining focus. Back in the early 2000s, the average attention span was around 12 seconds. Now it's just 7 to 8 seconds. This impacts not only productivity, but also how much you enjoy your time. When improving yourself, do you stop podcasts or videos halfway because you can't focus for 30 minutes? This affects your studies, too. Today, let's discuss techniques to improve focus and get results. Let's cover the basics, nutrition, and sleep, these to hugely impact focus. Research shows environment, nutrition, and sleep influence up to 50% of your focus. Want to improve? Take these seriously. Also, I'll share something that can boost focus by 500%. Sounds crazy. Wait. Let's talk food. You are what you eat. Though your brain is just a percent of your body weight, it uses 20% of your energy. Eat organic fruits, vegetables, and omega-3 rich foods like wild salmon and nuts. Avoid high sugar and starchy foods like bananas or potatoes. Next is sleep. Everyone has unique sleep needs. Discover your patterns for optimal focus. I'll explore this in future videos, so stay tuned for deeper insights into mastering sleep and its impact on focus. Now, the game changer, flow. Flow boosts focus by 500%. It's that state where time flies. Instagram and games make it easy, but studying feels harder. Why? Comfort. Studying requires effort. Push yourself to train your brain for flow. Imagine studying for an hour and feeling tired. Instead of stopping, push for 10 more minutes. Your brain resists, but this builds focus. Over time, you'll improve your attention span and achieve more with consistent practice. Reward yourself. After completing a study session, treat yourself, but only after finishing. This reinforces focus and builds a cycle of productivity. Small rewards help solidify good habits over time. Avoid overwhelming goals. Don't just say, study biology, be specific. Study the nervous system for 90 minutes with this book. Clear plans prevent confusion and keep you focused on tangible results. Try the Pomodoro technique, work 25 minutes, break for 5. It's great for beginners, but for advanced focus, use 90-minute blocks. This aligns with natural body rhythms and sustains longer concentration. Subconscious focus techniques are another aspect to explore, but that's for another video. Support the channel, and I'll keep sharing tips to help you level up your focus. Time is precious, don't waste it. Take control of your focus and make every moment count. Thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to act now.